Hey there, and welcome back to Daily Speak. I'm Alex, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. Today, I have a fun and clever story for you. It's a simple story, in easy English, made just for beginners. I will speak slowly and clearly, so you can understand every single word. If you miss something, don't worry. You can always listen again. Just relax, listen, and enjoy. Here's our plan. First, I'll tell you the whole story. Then, we'll learn some useful words together. And at the end, I'll ask you a few simple questions. Our story today is called The Clever Rabbit. Are you ready? Let's begin. Story, Part 1. The Forest and the Lion. Long ago, in a big green forest, there lived many animals. There were deer, monkeys, birds, and rabbits. The forest was peaceful and beautiful. But there was one big problem. A fierce lion lived in the forest. Every day, the lion hunted the animals. He was big, strong, and very cruel. The animals were always afraid. The lion killed more animals than he needed. So the animals had a meeting. "We cannot live like this," they said. "We are always scared. Soon, there will be none of us left." Story, Part 2. The Deal. The animals had an idea. They went to the lion, and they bowed. "Great lion," they said, "we have a plan. Every day, we will send you one animal to eat. You don't need to hunt. Just wait, and your food will come to you." The lazy lion liked this idea. "Very well," he said. "But if one day no animal comes, I will kill all of you." So every day, one animal walked to the lion and became his food. It was a sad time in the forest. The animals were losing hope. Story, Part 3. The Rabbit's Turn. One day, it was a small rabbit's turn. But this rabbit was not like the others. This rabbit was very clever. "Why should we die for this cruel lion?" the rabbit thought. "Maybe I can find a way to save us all." So the rabbit walked very, very slowly. He took his time. By the time the rabbit reached the lion, it was very late. The lion was hungry and angry. "Why are you so late?" the lion roared. "I've been waiting all day." Story, Part 4. The Clever Trick. The clever rabbit bowed. "I'm so sorry, Great Lion," he said calmly. "On my way here, I met another lion. He said that he is the king of this forest. He wanted to eat me." The lion was furious. "Another lion? In my forest? Take me to him right now." "Of course," said the rabbit. "Follow me." The rabbit led the lion to an old, deep well. "The other lion lives down there," said the rabbit. "Look inside." Story, Part 5. The lion looked down into the well, and there, in the water, he saw another lion looking back at him. Of course, it was only his own reflection. But the angry lion did not understand. "How dare you?" the lion roared, and the lion in the water seemed to roar back. The lion was so angry that he jumped into the well to fight the other lion. Splash! The lion fell deep into the water, and he could not get out. The cruel lion was gone forever. The little rabbit ran back to the forest. "We are free!" he shouted. All the animals cheered. The clever rabbit had saved them all, not with strength, but with his mind. And the lesson is simple. Being clever is stronger than being big. The end. Vocabulary. What a clever story. Now, let's learn some useful words together. First word, clever. A clever person is smart and thinks of good ideas, like the rabbit. Say it with me. Clever. Next word, fierce. Fierce means very strong and scary. Say it with me. Fierce. Next, cruel. A cruel person likes to hurt others. Say it with me. Cruel. Next, reflection. A reflection is the image you see in water or a mirror. Say it with me. Reflection. One more. Well. A well is a deep hole in the ground with water inside. Say it with me. Well. Excellent work. Comprehension plus outro equals. Now, let's check your understanding. I'll ask 4 simple questions. Try to answer out loud. Question 1. What animal was cruel to the forest? Yes, the lion. Question 2. Which animal was very clever? That's right, the little rabbit. Question 3. What did the lion see in the well? Exactly, his own reflection. Question 4. What is the lesson of this story? Yes, being clever is stronger than being big. You did wonderfully today. Here's your homework. In the comments below, tell me in English, was the rabbit smart? Why? I read every single comment. If you enjoyed this story, please give it a like and subscribe to Daily Speak for more easy English stories. I'm Alex. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and always use your mind. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.